Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to control a DC motor using the L298 motor driver in Python, including an object-oriented approach. Yes, we are talking about spinning motors with code basically turning electricity into movement with just few lines of Python, and the object-oriented part that makes your code cleaner, reusable and professional. Here's the idea. The L298 is a motor driver module that allows you to control the speed and detection of DC motors using a microcontroller like a Raspberry Pi or Arduino in Python. We can send signals to the pins to make the motor go forward, backward, stop, or even vary the speed using PWM. Step 1. Connect your motor, L298 module and Raspberry Pi or Arduino. Make sure that motor power supply is separate from the Pi to avoid frying it. Step 2. Install the RPI GPIO library if using Raspberry Pi. This allows Python to control the GPIO pins. Step 3. Start with the basic script. Set the GPIO pins as output and use GPIO output to control the monitor's direction. Use PWM to control speed. This is the procedural approach, perfect to see the monitor spin in action quickly. Now let's move to object-oriented programming. Instead of writing some kind of repetitive code for each motor, create a motor class. Inside the class, define functions like forward, backward, stop, and set speed. Instantiate objects for each motor. You have, for example, left motor equal to motor pin 1, pin 2. Enable pin, then just call left motor. For WOD, clean, readable and scalable. Let's make this more fun. You have a small car with two motors. Using object-oriented code, you can write left motor forward and right motor forward. To move forward or mix commands to turn left or right. Want to change speed? Just call left motor set speed 70, no messy repetition. Why is this useful? Object-oriented programming is essential when your project grows. 2 motors, 4 motors or a whole robotic arm. You don't want to rewrite the same code for each motor. Using classes makes your code modular and professional. Some tips. Always double check writing or wiring before powering up. Incorrect connections can burn the motor driver. Also start with low speed for testing, then increase gradually, safety first. So, to sum up, connect your motor and L298 test basic control with GPIO, then implement an object-oriented motor class for clean, reusable code. Your motors are now spinning on command and your code looks professional. And that's DC control or motor control with L298 in Python. Basics plus object-oriented style. Spin responsibly, and if you like this, don't just rotate your hand towards the subscribe button.